I chose Hope because Liverpool's not actually that far away from home. You can get home easy at the weekends and stuff.
I chose Liverpool Hope University because after looking at the league tables and going to the open day, I saw they were really good for satisfaction and they supported their students, and I knew they were really good for courses like SEO.
I was really impressed on the applicant day when I came down and I saw the psychology department and the new health science department and all the new facilities there.
I chose to come to Hope University as I felt like it was a small campus. I feel like this is really good for me because I didn't want to go somewhere that was really big because I didn't want to feel lonely. It's got a really good community here.
I choose Hope because it's such a small university compared to others, and it's easier to make friends, and it's such a tight community here, and there's loads of Irish, so you never feel alone.
I chose Liverpool Hope University because there's a good option for combined honours, so in the sense that you can do 2 degrees in one, and that's why I did business management with sport and PE.
As an international student, they helped me with my application and to settle in.
I would choose Hope because the creative campus is such a friendly and welcoming environment. It's so close to the city centre and there's loads of great facilities for you to do your work.
I chose Liverpool Hope because it's great links to the city where there's lots of sport, shopping and lots to do.
So coming from the countryside myself and one of my friends coming here the year before that I also played Gaelic with, knowing that you had people over here and that they would be able to help you whenever you need